Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2013 Honda CB1000R. This bike has got just barely under 800 miles on it and is in perfect condition. Let's take a walk around it. I'll show you the few highlights on it and then we will fire it up so you can hear it run. Like I said, this bike is in perfect condition. It's got just under 800 miles on it. Tires are perfect still. No dents, no scratches, no rock chips, just nice and clean. Seats, no rips, no tears. It does come with a twin Danmoto slip-on and a fender eliminator, but as far as it goes, those are the only two aftermarket items on it. As you can see by the back tire, that's still in great shape too. So basically this leader bike is still brand new. $792 miles is what's on it. This CB1000 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.